Hello everyone. So this video I will be showing you how to add unique constraint to an existing column in a table in SQL. So I'm currently using MySQL Workbench. So let's get started. So I actually created a table called as myTab. It has two columns, namely R number, which is of type int, and name, which is of type varchar. So let me just display the contents present in myTab. So it has currently no. So here are the two values. Okay. So let me just combine and select it and run it. So the two values are inserted. So now if I just go over here, means I'll be having these two rows over here. And if I just go to the description of my table, it's saying that it's accepting null and there isn't any constraints that are given to my column. Okay. So now we are going to just add the unique constraint. Okay. So the syntax is alter table and the table name, which is myTab, and we need to put add constraint, and here we are going to add unique constraint. So I'll just put unique, and I'm going next the column name. Okay, so I will put for roll number, and I will just, that's it. This is the syntax. Okay, and this alter table add constraint unique, this can be in capital letters or lowercase, that's fine, but this should be in according what lowercase uppercase you are given at first. Okay, so now let me just run this one. I'm getting green mark, so it works fine. So we have now added unique constraint to R number. Okay, so if I just go over here and if I just again try to insert this value, I'll be getting an error because duplicate entry for this thing. So that's fine. And there is another like important thing to note here. Let's suppose I'm inserting 3, okay, roll number 3, but I'm not changing the name. I'm keeping the name as Sam itself. So if I just write down, this will be getting inserted because we haven't added unique constraint for our name. Okay, so if I just now select, okay, I will be getting two names. Okay, and now if I go and try and add unique constraint to my name, okay, name column. So I'll just change this to name. I'm just changing the column name from R number to name. So now if I just run it now, I'll be getting an error because duplicate entry Sam for key myTab name. So it says that Sam is occurring twice in column name itself. So this error occurs when I am trying to add a constraint for my name column. So here in this case, what you need to do is you need to actually remove this. Okay, remove this particular repeating name. You need to remove any one of these Sam, and you need to again run this particular command. So let me also do that for you. So it's going to be delete from table, that is my table name, myTab, var clause var R number is equal to 3 and name equal to Sam. Okay, so if I give only okay, I can just only give name equal to 3, that's fine. This will do the work. We just go here and just run it down. This row will be getting deleted, and if I just select, I'll be having only 2 rows. And if I now go and run this command alter table unique name, now it will work really perfectly. We are getting a green mark. So now if I just run this now, okay, we are adding trying to add a duplicate name Sam because Sam already exists in the table. So if I just write down, I'll be getting an error. Okay, so both the columns I have added unique constraint. So if I just go to describe table, I'll be getting uni inside uni, so which means that I've added the constraint uni to it. So I hope you have found this video useful, and I've also done many other SQL videos, SQL interview questions, as well as programming videos in C, C++, Java, Python, as well as 3D animation in Blender. So do check out the videos of my channel, subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.